What is going on, guys? This is my little course. How you can use it's a little course. It's used for you could use it for whatever. Whatever it has all its own uses. It's for a random number generator. Python coding project. A project you can do for beginners and advanced alike. You can watch a YouTube video and use the random movements of the YouTube video and convert those to numbers for random number generator. You could use after that you could sort of know that you could use any visual data. Any visual data for a random number generator. I'll let you know that. Like I said, all you have to do is convert the data to numbers visually. Just imagine it. The it's the randomness of life, basically. When you're using the randomness of life to get a random number. Converting the random movements of a video to numbers. Converting them to numbers. After that, you could sort of think how you could use Python coding to pass in random numbers. You can get you can make a password out of a video by converting the video to numbers. The video would always be the same, so you just gotta convert that to numbers. Get a snapshot and use that snapshot. Pass in the numbers to your Python coding program and use that snapshot. Pass that snapshot of numbers to your Python coding program and use it as a password. Random visual data for passwords. Use visual data for passwords. Use any video, any visual data. Generate the numbers any way you want. Take it further, you could use a live video just to get a real sense of what I mean. Live video for constant randomness. You could use other visual data, whatever visual data you want. The random visual movements converted to numbers. I think to me it seems like the numbers would always be changing randomly. But you do the math. You'll see that it's random. You can make a Python program out of this. password program, a visual password program. You could even take into account the color, passing the color of the video, the colors that are happening on screen, and the numbers. RGB values. Passing that to your Python coding program. That's a Python coding project you can do. That's the full course. Hope you guys enjoyed. You could use it to... I hope you guys enjoyed. Sort of like a nice little password program you can make. Encryption. You could imagine you could just do whatever else you could do with it. It has its own benefits. Whatever you imagine you can do with it. Whatever you think you could do with it. Whatever you think you could do with it. What you think is possible. What you see is possible. Remember, you could use a YouTube video. The randomness of life. Now that you know that, that's the end of the course. That's the whole course. Generating random numbers and making a visual password using Python coding. Python coding. You could also use whatever other programming language you're using. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.